By the end of the video, we'll know about how to lose face fat, even if you're skinny overall. Many people struggle with excess fat in their face, despite having a slim body. Achieving a more defined facial structure involves specific strategies that target fat loss and overall health. Tips to reduce face fat. Overall body fat reduction. While you can't spot reduce fat from just your face, reducing overall body fat through a combination of diet and exercise can help. Follow a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Cardiovascular exercise. Engage in regular cardiovascular activities such as running, cycling, or swimming. Cardio helps burn calories and can contribute to overall fat loss, including in your face. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. Strength training. Incorporate resistance exercises into your routine to build muscle and boost metabolism. This can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Facial exercises. While there's limited scientific evidence, facial exercises may help tone facial muscles and reduce puffiness. Examples include puffing out your cheeks, smiling with pursed lips, and chewing gum. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Lifestyle changes. Hydration and nutrition. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, which can help reduce water retention and bloating in the face. Avoid excessive salt intake, as it can contribute to fluid retention. Quality sleep. Ensure you're getting enough sleep each night, as poor sleep can lead to fluid retention and puffiness in the face. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Patience and persistence. Be patient. It takes time to see changes in your face. Stick to your exercise and nutrition plan consistently, and results will follow. Conclusion. While losing face fat can be challenging, combining a healthy diet, regular exercise, facial exercises, and lifestyle adjustments can help you achieve a more sculpted facial appearance. Remember, everyone's body is different, so be patient with yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on improving your health and achieving your fitness goals.